Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best fishing split rings is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in any angler's tackle box, acting as the vital link between your lure and your line, ensuring that every strike translates into a successful catch. And today we're diving deep into what makes a split ring truly exceptional, separating the reliable from the frustratingly weak, so you can spend less time re-rigging and more time reeling in those trophy fish. Number 5. 201 PCS Fishing Stainless Steel Split Rings and Plier Set. Introducing a comprehensive set designed for the avid angler. This collection includes 201 high-strength stainless steel split rings in 5 essential sizes, perfect for all your fishing needs. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these rings offer exceptional strength and rust resistance. They are engineered to withstand significant tension, ensuring reliability in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Accompanying the rings is a multifunctional fishing plier. This tool is designed for efficiency, capable of removing hooks, cutting lines, and opening split rings with ease. The pliers feature an inclined mouth design, making accessory changes quick and convenient. Its robust construction ensures it can handle demanding fishing conditions, from trolling to jigging. While ideal for connecting lures, rigs, and leaders, this versatile set also proves useful for DIY crafts and jewelry making. Enhance your fishing trips and creative projects with this essential kit. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of split rings in various sizes, along with a versatile plier tool. The rings are built to withstand significant force, making them ideal for demanding fishing conditions. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit that covers a wide range of lure connections and includes essential tools, this is a solid choice. What people say. These split rings are strong and durable, perfect for holding heavy lures. The size variety in this pack is excellent, offering options for different fishing applications. Easy to open and close, making lure changes quick and hassle-free. Number 4. Skylety Fishing Tackle Combo. Get everything you need for your next fishing trip with this comprehensive tackle set. It includes a variety of essential components for any fishing enthusiast. This set features 200 stainless steel split rings in 5 different sizes. They are perfect for connecting hooks and lures, and come organized in a convenient plastic box. Equipped with 50 high-strength, corrosion-resistant treble hooks made from high-carbon steel. Their sharp points ensure excellent penetration and help secure your catch. Included are durable steel fishing pliers with an ABS handle and a safety lock. Their curved mouth design makes changing hooks and cutting lines effortless. Never lose your gear again with the included fishing lanyard. Made from durable plastic and stainless steel, it securely attaches your accessories and prevents them from falling into the water. Additionally, you'll receive 876 lure eyes to customize your fishing lures. This complete package offers great value for all your fishing needs. What we like. This package provides an extensive assortment of fishing essentials, including split rings, treble hooks, lure eyes, pliers, and a lanyard. The treble hooks are particularly noteworthy for their strength and corrosion resistance. If you need a bundled solution that goes beyond just split rings and equips you with multiple crucial components for lure rigging and fish capture, this kit is perfect. What people say. These split rings are incredibly strong and have held up perfectly even when fighting larger fish. The size variety in this pack is fantastic, allowing me to match the rings to different lure sizes easily. I appreciate the smooth finish on these rings, they don't snag on my fishing line. Number 3. Dr.Fish Split Ring Stainless Steel Fishing Lure Rings. Introducing our premium fishing lure rings, crafted from a single piece of SUS stainless steel. They offer exceptional strength and rust resistance, built to withstand even the toughest conditions beyond just fishing. Our special manufacturing process uses hyperpressure cast flat wire, taking strength to an unprecedented level. This ensures an almost zero chance of splitting, even under extreme pressure. These rings are perfect for a wide range of fishing techniques, including trolling and jigging. They are ideal for saltwater, offshore, and freshwater heavy-duty use, even suitable for shark leaders. You'll find these connectors to be incredibly strong, providing a secure link for your tackle. You might even need pliers to open them, demonstrating their robust design. Designed for heavy-duty applications, these connectors offer a reliable solution for your fishing gear. They are built to last and perform under pressure. Available in size number 8, these rings boast an impressive 100-pound strength rating. Each pack contains 20 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for your next outing. What we like. Engineered with a special manufacturing process, these split rings boast exceptional strength and are highly resistant to splitting. They are designed for the toughest fishing scenarios. If you prioritize ultimate durability and reliability for heavy-duty applications like saltwater, offshore, or even shark leaders, these are the rings you need. What people say. These split rings are incredibly strong and have held up perfectly even when fighting larger fish. The size variety in this pack is excellent, allowing me to match them to different lure sizes and fishing conditions. I was impressed by how easy these split rings were to open and attach to my lures, without bending or breaking. Number 2. Fishing Split Rings Assortment Kit. Introducing our 250-piece Fishing Split Rings Assortment Kit. This comprehensive set includes rings from size 9 # down to 5 #, ensuring you have the perfect fit for any lure. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these rings are designed for maximum strength and durability. They are resistant to splitting and corrosion, even in saltwater conditions. Our double flat wire snap rings are flattened to increase their strength and pulling force. You can rely on them to hold up under pressure without deforming. The unique double snap ring design with an inclined opening allows for quick and easy lure changes. Connecting your tackle, hooks, rigs, and leaders has never been simpler. These rings serve as an excellent connector for all your fishing needs. They securely link your lures to hooks, rigs, and leaders, enhancing your fishing experience. Despite their small size, these rings are incredibly strong and tough, capable of supporting significant weight. A splitting plier may be helpful for opening them due to their resilience. What we like. This kit offers a large quantity of split rings in a wide range of sizes, crafted from premium stainless steel with a double flat wire design for enhanced strength. The smooth finish ensures no damage to your lines. If you need a versatile and cost-effective option with plenty of rings for various lure sizes and frequent use, this assortment is an excellent value. What people say. These split rings are very strong and hold up well to big fish. The size is perfect for most lures and they are easy to open and close. They are made of high-quality stainless steel and do not rust. Number 1. GREATFISHING Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Split Ring Combo. Introducing the Ultimate Fishing Essential. This combo offers superior strength and corrosion resistance, perfect for any fishing adventure. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these connectors are built to last. They are suitable for both saltwater and freshwater environments. This value pack includes split rings in 5 convenient sizes and a pair of durable fishing pliers. Everything you need is in one compact box. Easily attach lures, rigs, and leaders with these versatile split rings. Changing hooks and cutting lines is a breeze, even on the go. The included mini pliers are designed for comfort and convenience. Their super mini and light design makes them easy to carry anywhere. With a test strength ranging from 30 pounds to 120 pounds, these connectors provide reliable performance for a wide variety of fish. What we like. This set provides high-strength stainless steel split rings in multiple sizes, suitable for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. It also includes a compact, ergonomic plier tool for convenience. If you're looking for reliable split rings and a handy, portable plier for quick adjustments on the go, this combo offers great utility. What people say. These split rings are incredibly strong and hold up well even when fighting larger fish. The size variety in this pack is excellent, allowing you to match the rings to different lure sizes and fishing conditions. Easy to open and close without tools, which is a huge convenience when rigging up lures quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.